Hello everyone, this is Divakar Pandey from Knowledge Infusers. We have started a topic linear inequations in our last video, and we have studied the various types of number systems and the representation of their number system on graphs, means solution set, representation of their solution set on graph. So we will discuss with a few more numericals to clear the concept of the representation of the solution set on number lines and how to find the solution set, etc. So here are few numericals of linear inequations which we will discuss to find out the solution set and to know how to draw solution set on number line for various ranges like real numbers, integers, whole number and integers and natural number also. So let's start with the first question, that is solution of the first question. We will take two inequations, okay? दो इक्वेशंस एक साथ लेंगे x की रेंज फाइंड आउट करने के लिए. नाउ विल टेक 13x minus 5 is less than 15x plus 4 and again 15x plus 4 is less than 7x plus 12. ओके नाउ अब देखो यहाँ पर जो लाइक टर्म्स हैं वो एक साइड हो जाएंगे और जो कांस्टेंट टर्म्स हैं वो एक साइड हो जाएंगे. सो व्हाट वी विल गेट ओवर हियर, वी विल गेट -5 minus 4 is less than 15x minus 13x. Okay, and on this side 15x minus 7x is less than 12 minus 4. So here we have 5 minus 4 will get -9 and 15 minus 13 will get 2 over here. Okay, 2x, and again we are getting 15 minus 7 is 8, 8x is less than 8. Okay, now we have -9 by 2 is less than x, and we have x which is less than 1. Okay, now we have the range. What is the range? Write x in between. Somewhere x value of x is greater than. Now greater than value means it is greater than -9 by 2 and smaller than 1. So this is our range. Now we will write solution set depend upon this range. So solution set. While writing solution set, consider this, means where x is belonging. X belongs to real number, so solution set will be x belongs to R such that, means the range -9 by 2 is less than x is less than 1. Now see, यहाँ पर जो x की वैल्यू है एग्जैक्टली 9 by 2 से -9 by 2 से ग्रेटर है एंड 1 से लेसर है, means the point just before 1 will be included in our solution and the point just greater than -9 by 2 means -4.5 will also included in the solution, but these 2 points will not be included because the value of x doesn't equal to these two values. Okay, means value of x इन दोनों के equal नहीं है, that is greater than -9 by 2 and less than 1. So we'll draw the number line now. Here we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 etc. and on this side -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Now our point is -9 by 2, that will be somewhere here. Okay, so we will take this value, this is 4.5 and here it is 1. बट द वैल्यू ऑफ x इज स्मॉलर देन 1 से स्मॉलर है, सो द वैल्यू जस्ट बिफोर द 1 ऑन द नंबर लाइन विल ऑल्सो बी आवर सोल्यूशन सेट। तो हम इसको पूरे लाइन पर दिखाते हैं, जैसे हम होल नंबर एंड रियल नंबर्स को दिखाते हैं, होल नंबर और इंटीजर्स को दिखाते हैं, पॉइंट टू पॉइंट दिखा देते हैं, ओके 1 2 3 4 जो भी हमारा सोल्यूशन है। बट यहाँ पर द होल नंबर लाइन इज आवर सोल्यूशन सेट, मीन्स द रेंज this range, all the numbers between this range is our solution set. So our solution set will be from here to here. As these values are not included, this circle will be hollow circle. I hope you are getting. वैल्यूज इंक्लूडेड नहीं है तो हॉलो सर्कल रहेगा। अगर यहाँ पर इक्वल का साइन होता, वी हैव इक्वल साइन, देन दिस वैल्यू विल बी, दिस सर्कल्स विल बी डार्कन। लास्ट वीडियो में मैंने आपको बताया था, ओके तो न्यूमेरिकल्स से और भी अच्छी तरह से क्लियर हो जाएगा। सो हियर इट इज आवर सॉल्यूशन सेट ऑन नंबर लाइन, ओके पॉज द वीडियो टू नोट इट। Now let's see the second question, that is -8.5 is less than -1/2 minus 4x is less than or equal to 7.5. We will take -8.5, this is a mixed fraction, so we will convert it into improper fraction. 2 8 are 16 plus 1 17, so it will be -17/2. Okay, it is less than -1/2 minus 4x and again -1/2 minus 4x is less than or equal to 7.5, means 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15, 15/2. Okay, now here we have 2 as denominator in all the terms, isn't it? सो क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पर हम LCM से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे एंड LCM विल बी 2 ओनली, विल मल्टीप्लाई थ्रू आउट बाय 2, सो वी विल गेट -17 लेस देन -1 minus 8x and here we will get -1 minus 8x is less than or equal to 15. Okay, again we will see like terms will be at one side, so -17 plus 1 is less than -8x and here -1 minus 15 is less than or equal to 8x. जब टर्म इन इक्वेशन का साइन क्रॉस करेंगे सो साइन विल बी चेंज्ड, ओके नेगेटिव था तो पॉजिटिव हुआ, पॉजिटिव था तो नेगेटिव हुआ। हियर -17 plus 1 will give -16 and -8x and similarly at this side -16 is less than or equal to 8x. Here we have, if we multiply on both the sides by minus sign, what we will get? 16/8 we will get 2 over here and this sign will get reversed. Okay, so we are having 2 is greater than x over here and also here -2 is less than or equal to x. So what is our range? Now range of solution is x is greater and x is lesser. X is greater than some value that is greater than or equal to -2 and lesser than +2. This is our range of solution. Now we have to write the solution set and our x belongs to integer. And in integer we take complete numbers, not fractional or any other number. So our solution set will be what? Complete numbers लेते हैं ना integers में, so हमारा जो solution set होगा -2 is lesser or equal to, means -2 is lesser than or equal to x, so -2 will also be included in our solution set. So our solution set will start from -2, okay, from -2 -1 0 1. 2 will not be included because the value of x is less than 2, and integer less than 2 is only 1. Okay, so our values will end up here. So we have now the set of solution. We will represent it on number line. Now see, I am drawing over here. This is our number line. We have to represent -2, -1, 0 and 1. We will draw it. Plot it. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -1, -2, -3. एक बात का ध्यान रखना, keep in mind that use scale and pencil to draw this number line, and try to keep this distance same throughout, okay, between two numbers in your examination. So our points will be -2, -1, 0 and 1. We just plotted those points on number line. This is our solution set. What is clear to you? Okay, pause the video to note it down. Now see the third example or third question, that is -2 whole number 5 by 6 is less than 1 by 2 minus 2x upon 3 is less than 2, less than or equal to. So we will take it as 6 2s are 12 plus 5. Okay, 6 2s are 12 plus 5 is what? 17. Okay, so we will write minus 17 upon 6 again is less than 1 by 2 minus 2x upon 3, and again we will write 1 by 2 minus 2x upon 3 with next term, that is 2, and it is less than or equal to 2. Now we have two equations. We will solve it to find out range. Okay, now here you can see the denominator part is 2, 3 and 6, isn't it? So 2, 3 and 6, what we will have? We have to multiply by the LCM of these three numbers, and the LCM is 6 over here. We will multiply by 6. We will get minus 17 is less than 2 3s are minus 3 2s are and 2 2s are 4x. Okay, 2 3s are, so 3 1s are 3, 6 1s are 6 minus 17, and again over here 2 3s are 6, so we will write 3 over here minus 3 2s are 6 and 2 2s are 4x is less than 6 2s are 12. We will solve it. Minus 17 minus 3 less than minus 4x, and on this side we have 3 minus 12 is less than or equal to 4x. Now minus 17 minus 3 will give minus 20, and here minus 4x, and again 12 minus 3 means 1 is minus and 1 is plus. We will subtract it. We will get minus 9 is less than or equal to 4x. Now here we have to multiply with minus sign. So what we will get? 4 5s are 20, no? So 4 5s are, and this sign will get changed. We have this value, and here we have minus 9 by 4 is less than or equal to x. Now what is 9 by 4? 4 2s are 8. Again 4 2s are 8 and 4 5s are 20, that is 2.25. okay, this is the value 2.25. so we can write one more line, that is phi is greater than x, and you can convert it into mixed fraction, that is 4 2 whole number and 1 by 4, that is 2.25 again is less than or equal to x. Now we have the range. What is our range? Our range is x is lesser than what? X is lesser than 5. Okay, see this value, x is lesser than 5 over here, and x is greater than minus 2 1 by 4. Okay, here equal to also. So we have the solution set. Here x belongs to what? Whole number. We have to write the solution set for whole number, and whole number starts from what? 0 only. Here our solution set will be our whole number starts from 0, so this negative value will not be included, so our solution set will be from 0, 1, 2, 3, and before 5, that is 4, because the value before 5 means just smaller than 5 is 4 only in whole number. Now we will draw the number line. Here it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, here again -1, -2, -3, -4. Now negative numbers will not be included, so our solution set will be 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We'll represent it like that. Okay. Now let's see the fourth question, that is 2i minus 3. 2i minus 3 is less than y plus 1, and again y plus 1 is less than or equal to 4y plus 7. Solve it. Try to solve it by yourself. Pause the video and try to solve it. Then see the solution. Have you done correct or not? 2y minus y is less than 1 plus 3, and y minus 4y is less than or equal to 7 minus 1. So here we have 2y minus y, will get y over here, and less than 3 plus 1 is 4, and here again minus 3y will be less than or equal to 7 minus 1 is 6. Here we have y is less than 4, and here minus 3 will go to that side and sign will get changed. That will be y is greater than or equal to 3 to the 6, and here it will be minus. We have multiplied by minus sign, and this 6 divided by 3. So we have the range now. What is our range? Y is greater than and y is smaller than. Y is greater than or equal to -2, and y is smaller than 4. Okay, so now we have the range. Here y is belongs to real number, so we will write the solution set as solution set is equal to x belongs to, here it is y, so we will write y belongs to real number, and -2 is lesser than or equal to y, and y is less than 4. So now we will draw it, number line. We'll draw the number line like this, and we'll get what? Here we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. And here we have -1, -2, -3, -4. Okay. Now see, here -2 value, the value -2 will be included, because there is equality sign also, so we have to darken this circle. Okay, we have to darken this circle because this value is included, and here 4 is not included. This is a real number, no? So we represent it like this, and this is our solution set on number line. Okay, hope it is clear to you. So how many of you done this question correctly? Check it. Now see the next question, question number 5, that is -x upon 3. we'll take minus x upon 3 is less than or equal to x upon 2 minus, here 3 ones are 3 plus 1 4, okay, 4 upon 3, and what, again x upon 2 minus 4 upon 3 is less than 1 by 6. Okay, so next step, we have to multiply by 6 because the LCM of 2, 3 and 6 will be 6 only. So we'll get over here minus 2 into x is less than or equal to 3x minus 2 4s are 3 2s are 6 and 2 4s are 8, and again 2 3s are 6 3 and 3 2s are and 2 4s are 8 again is less than 6 1s are 6. Okay, now this 8 will transform to this side and our this number 3x plus 2x, and again here 3x will be less than 1 plus 8. Now we have what, 3 to 5. Okay, so we have 8 upon 5 over here, and here it is x. Okay, divided, this term divided by 5 because 3 plus 2 is 5, and again over here x will be less than 8 plus 1 9 upon 3. Okay, now next step is what, 5 8, here it is 8 upon 5, no, so 8 upon 5 means 5 ones are 5 means one whole number 3 upon 5, and again here is greater than or equal to x, and here x will be less than 3. So this is our range. We have got the range. What is our range over here? One whole number 3 by 5 is less than or equal to x, okay, and is less than 3. This is our what, range. Now solution set will be what, now here x is belonging to real number again, so what will be our solution set, x belongs to real number and one whole number 3 upon 5 is less than or equal to x is less than 3. Okay, now we have got our range of solution. We'll draw it on number line. Here it is 0 1 2 3 4 5, again over here minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 and minus 5. Okay, anything, so minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 and minus 5 over here. Now here we have one whole number 3 by 5. Okay, means negative value is not there, so one whole number 3 by 5 means somewhere here 1 2 3 4 and 5. So this is first, second and third part. This is our point. We'll divide it in 5 parts between 1 and 2, and third point means first, second and third. Third point will be our point to one whole number 3 by 5. So we have this point and the point 3 which is not included again. Okay, so this circle will be darkened because this value is included. Okay, and this is our range, means our solution set on number line. Okay, so this is our solution for question number 5. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Pause the video to note it down. Now see the sixth question, that is minus 2 plus 10x is less than or equal to 13x plus 10 is less than 24 plus 10x. Okay, and x belongs to z. Here z means integer, this and this is same. Okay, so here we will take minus 2 plus 10x is less than or equal to 13x plus 10, 13x plus 10, and second equation will be 13x plus 10 is less than 24 plus 10x. Okay, this is our inequations. Now we will solve it. Minus 2, and here it is plus 13. We'll get transform minus 10 plus 10 over here, and it will be minus 10, and again is less than or equal to 13x minus 10x, and further 13x minus 10x is less than 24 minus 10. Okay, now next one is what? Minus 2 minus 10 will give minus 12, minus 13 and minus 10 will give what? 3x, isn't it? And again 13 minus 10 will give us 3x, and 24 minus 10 will give us 14. Now we have here 12 will be divided by 3, we will get a minus 4 over here is less than or equal to x, and again we will get x is less than 14 upon 3. Again we have what? Minus 4 is less than or equal to x, and x is less than 3 4s are 12, 2 by 3. Okay, now we have the range. What is our range? Our range is minus 4 is less than or equal to x, and is less than 4 whole number 2 by 3. Now while writing the solution set, we have to keep in mind that where is x belongs to. Now x belongs to z, so we will write what? Our solution set as, our solution set will be equal to what? Minus 4. The value will be in between minus 4 and plus 4 whole number 2 by 3, and this value will be included because here equal sign is present. So minus 4 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0, and further 1 2 3 and 4 also, because this value is more than 4 and the value smaller than this will be 4 integer. Okay, so plus 4. So this is our solution set for this question, and we will draw it on number line. How will we draw it? Here it is 0, again 1 2 3 4 5, that is minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. Okay, and minus 5. Now the values which are included, those are minus 4, isn't it? Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 also. Will represent by dot, means by highlighting the number on number line. So this is our solution set for question number 6. Okay, pause the video to note it down properly, and I hope this is clear to you, and you have got that how to deal with the real numbers number line, integers number line, whole number numbers lines, and other question. All the questions will be of this type, means you have to just calculate and you have to represent on number line. Okay, if you find this video useful for you, then share it with your friends, like it and subscribe our channel for all the videos of your study related. Okay, thank you so much.